Short of a criminal fraud, and police should also file an FIR because we have already submitted our documents to the concerned authorities, but till date FIR has not been filed. So it clearly shows that there is some political interference going on and people will not tolerate this bullshit. This is a warning from all of our account holders in MAPSA. Today we are standing in front of the bank. Tomorrow we will take a march right up to the assembly if required. On behalf of all the deposit holders of this bank, an humble request that for 4 years the bank is cheating the customers and all the deposit holders have been left with no option but to come out on the street and hold this protest for their hard-earned money which is not being returned by the bank. And we are trying to file an FIR, but due to political pressure, FIR is not being lodged. And we request that our pleas are heard by the concerned authorities and action taken. Thank you.
My name is Joseph Canero. I am one of the depositors at this bank since the last 25 years. And I have got considerable amount of deposits in this bank. Now I've come to know these bankers are nothing but cheats, mainly comprising of 12 people who they call the board of directors of the bank. Actually, the board of directors is nothing but a family bank with Khalap, Mr. Khalap, his wife, his son, his bacho, is all making comprising of the board of directors. Okay, so we have considerable there are for your information, there are 3.5 lakh depositors in Goa, and outstanding dues which they are supposed to get and the deposits are 340 crores, and nothing has happened so far. We are only getting fake promises. That's it. So we have stopped. So at the moment we have going through all the authorities, and we have gone, including the Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, who has assigned one Mr. Sharma as the Under Secretary to look into this matter. Das is the Nirmala Sitharaman's. So we are hoping that something, because we are in need of money now. We are expired, just lying like that, and the reason given is for the bank to be in this state is they have given bad loans, and bad loans only to their cronies and nobody else. So this is the situation over here, and we will have to fight. We have no other choice. Okay, we have medical needs and all that kind of a thing. That's it.
Most of the account holders are senior citizens who are requiring money for medical expenses. The bank, in spite of having their deposits and money, are not returning the money. And tomorrow, if anything happens to these senior citizens, some good thing or bad thing happens, the bank should be held responsible. And it's a clear-cut human rights violation because money is there, it's not being given to the sick and elderly people.
This money is our hard-earned money, right? Since we cannot keep it at our home, we are keeping it safe in the bank. If it is not safe in the bank and we are not getting it when we need this money, what is the use of keeping money in this bank, in this MAPSA Urban? We have problems in our family, so we need this money very urgently. This is a request to release our money very urgently on priority basis. Release whatever is the money which is fixed deposit which are kept in this MAPSA Urban Bank. Please, this is a humble request.
Yeah, my name is Luis Rodriguez. At the moment, what we are requesting is not a charity from the government or not a favor. What we are asking is for our own hard-earned money in the bank. All the board of directors are responsible for this, and we are 100% sure government should take an action on this. The money they have given, say, is a bad loan. What bad loans? Who are the defaulters? The bank should declare the name of the defaulters who are responsible for this collapse of the bank. And what we need at the moment is our hard-earned money back and nothing more. Thank you.
My name is Maria Imelda de Souza. I was government primary school teacher, headmistress, retired. And now I'm an athlete. I belong to Masters Athletic Federation of India, I am a life member. Whenever I'm selected for my Masters World Championship, whenever I attend National Championship, I always get a medal. And whenever I'm selected for the World Championship, I don't go because I have no money. I have very little money. It was way back when Baba Iru Naik opened the bank. Because it was a good bank, we deposited money. And now I need money for my sickness. I need money for my blood test. I need my money for medication. And I cannot spend as much as I want. Because I wanted my money, hard-earned money. Thank you. Asking God, I'm praying to God that I will get my money back, my hard-earned money. I'm 85 years old now.
Doctor.
Yeah. English? English. You know, we are 2.5 lakhs. We are 2.5 lakhs depositors of Mapsa Urban Cooperative Bank, waiting for our money for last 5 years. Most of us are senior citizens, and at the time of retirement, we had invested all money in this bank, and now they are not ready to pay us a single naya paisa. Okay, and we have, since senior citizens we need money for our health. All senior citizens require medicines, so they need money. These people are not giving us our money back. They have given loans without finding out whether the loans can be recovered by taking commissions. And all board of directors have used our money illegally. We have filed a complaint in the Panjim police station. We have written to economic offence cells. We have met RBI Goa branch. We have written letter to Prime Minister of office. We have written letter to Finance Minister. We have received reply from Prime Minister's office, but so far no action has been taken. We are waiting for the action. And the RBI has given Mapsa Urban 18th February is the last date. If they don't meet this date, they will liquidate the bank and we will not get money back. They say we will get 1 lakh per person. When we have invested 40 lakhs, why we should get 1 lakh only back? So we desire that full board of directors and CEO should be investigated. Their assets should be looked into. They should be confiscated and they should be auctioned. And we should be we should get our money back. The action should be same as PMC Bank, where 12 of them are in the jail, including CEO, manager, and the people who were given the loan. So we want all these people, including Khalap, Gurudas Natekar, and full board of directors to be investigated and jailed.
Very true. We agree. We agree.
Dr. Kunda Keni. ना आम्ही मोर्चा ना आम्ही रस्त्यावयल्यान व्हडलें कांयच म्हणचे ना आम्ही एज्युकेटेड पीपल दिस इज ए पीसफूल प्रोटेस्ट ओके
अर्जुन शिरोडकर आम्ही हांगा पयले सुरवात पासून जे बँकेन आमी हांगा आहा आमी सेवींग आमच्या बँकेन आसा आमी सॅलरी आसली आमी सॅलरी सुद्दां काडची पडली हे खातीर आमकां सॅलरी मेळोंक शकना जाली आनी आयज आमचे पयशे जे आसा इवन आमी देवस्थानां आमची आहा देवस्थानचो पयसो आहा आमी फिक्स डिपॉझीट म्हणून हांगा दवरलेलो आसलो पण तो सुद्दां पयसो आयज आमकां काडपाक मेळना आमी सिनियर सिटीजन आहा आमचे लोन आमी काडले लोन आमी पेड केले 1 लाख 2 लाख काडले पण हे जे बिल्डरांक व्हडल्या लोन दिल्ले आसा तेंचे पयशेच पेमेंट जायना आनी जे गरिबांक आहा तांकां टायम टू टायम लेटर तो लेटर आहा आनी आमी पयशे भरता आमचे शेअर हांगा 2-3 हजार शेअर आहा शेअर सुद्दां एडजस्ट करून नासतना आमकां लोन पेड करपाक लायले आनी आयज शेअर तर आमी मागूंक गेले सिनियर सिटीजन आयज आमी आसा फाल्यां ना अशे लोक कितके मेलो पूण ह्यांचे श्राप जे आसा लोकांचे हे श्राप हांकां लागतले हे डायरेक्टर सगळे डायरेक्टर खलप आनी तेंचे जे कोण बरे ते वेल विशर जे आसा तेंचे आनी जी बँक जी कवर करपाक गेल्ली आसा जी जाता बेगीन आमकां बँक तेंचे हे करचे तेचे प्रिमायसीस कितें आसा त्यो तेणी सेल करच्यो आनी लोकांचे जे पयशे आहा ते बेगीनच्या बेगीन दिवचे की चडशे लोक आहा सिनियर सिटीजन आनी ज्येष्ठ सिनियर सिटीजन आहा तेंचो पयसो दिवचो हे तेंचे मागता आनी तेंच्यांनी गव्हर्मेंटान सुद्दां बेगीनचे बेगीन एक्शन घेवची हे आमी ह्या टायमार आमी मागता.
माझे नाव उमाकांत खोत माझो जो GPF आसलो तेचो हांवें विड्रॉल घातलेलें 20 लाख रुपया ते माझे हे बँकेन घरा खातीर जे घातलेले आहा ते माझे हे रवल्ले आहा ते तेंच्यांनी बेगिनल्या बेगीन दिवपाचे.
डिपॉझिट होल्डर्स हांच्यांनी एक पयली FIR केल्लेली आहा पेन्शन इकॉनॉमीक सेल तेचेर कांय एक्शन जायना म्हणून एक दिसाचो एक वराचो टोकन धरणा प्रोग्राम पिसफूल धरणा प्रोग्राम दवरलेले. आमकां जेन्ना कळ्ळें तेंच्यांनी एक्शन घेतलेली आहा म्हणून अशी आमी जवळ जवळ 10-12 वर्सां जाली ह्या झगडात आसा बँकेच्या इन द इंट्रस्ट ऑफ द डिपॉझिटर्स बँक डिपॉझिटर्स आनी शेअर होल्डर्स. आमी सांगलें की आमी तुमकां पार्टिसिपेट जाता तुमच्या हितून तुमी पार्टिसिपेट जाय. आयज टोटल जे इनिशिएटीव तांच्यांनी घेतलेल्या मिस्टर कोर्निया आनी बाकीच्या डिपॉझिटर्सांनी घेतलेल्या आनी आमी एज अ शेअर होल्डर तांकां पार्टिसिपेट जाल्लेल्या सपोर्ट केल्लेलो. बेसीक हे जे सगळ्यो गोश्टी जावपाक कारणीभूत हे मॅनेजमेंट आनी मेन मॅनेजमेंटाचो कोण आदलो चेअरमॅन रमाकांत खलप तांच्यांनी जर तेन्ना ते वन टायम सेटलमेंट करिनात आनी एक 70 करोड घालयनात आनी रॉंग लोन्स दिनात. हांगर जे आमी परत कंप्लेन गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन केल्लेली आहा तुज्या रजिस्ट्रारा कडेन केल्लेली आहा सेंट्रल रजिस्ट्रारा कडेन केल्लेली आसा की ही बँकेची जी वाट लागपाक सुरवात खंय जाल्या तर जेन्ना 2006च्यान तांच्यांनी जे वन टायम सेटलमेंट सुरू केले आनी तांचो सगळो इंट्रस्ट आमचो जो येवपाचो रिसीव जाल्लो तो घालयलो. प्लस हांगर अशें जाल्लेलें जाका वन टायम सेटलमेंट दिला ताका लोनूय दिल्लेली आसा. तांचे कडेन वेळोवेळी आमी लोनी कोणाक जर दिल्या पळय लोन कोणाक दिल्या बॅड लोन्स कोण जाल्या व्हडले लोन बारीक लोकांनी बाबड्यांनी सगळ्यांनी पयशे भरले जे लाख काडटले 2 लाख काडटले गरजेक काडटले गरीब लोक आसले तेंच्यांनी सगळ्यांनी पयशे भरले. पूण व्हडल्या लोनांनी हांच्यांनी पर्पजफुली म्हणजे हांचो हात आसून तांच्यांनी डिफॉल्टर्स जाल्ले तांची लिस्ट मागली तेंय लिस्ट मागतात ते लिस्ट दिनात. आनी आज ही जी बँक जी एक एका टायमार नावाजलेली बँक गडगडणारी बँक जे बाबडे कोण NRIs हांगर आसात जे भायर काम केले जे कोण डिपॉझिटर्स आसा बेसिकली कसो आसता डिपॉझिटर चडशे धंदेकार बी डिपॉझिटर आसना जो कोण एक नोकरी करता आपली कितें जे मेळटा टूथपुंजी ती दवरता आपल्या फुडल्या आयुश्या खातीर कोण चलयेचें लग्न करपा खातीर आनी कित्या खातीर दवरता ह्या गोश्टी खातीर आयज तेंचे शिरकावलेल्या. आमचे कडेन केसी अशें येता हांगर एक बाबडी आहा ती शीक आहा तिका आपले पयशे आपल्याक हेल्थाक यूज करूंक गावना. हांगर खुबशे जाण अशे आहात की ज्यांच्या चलयांची लग्न करपाचे घरातले लग्न करपाचे तांचेच पयशे ते दुसरे पयशे मागिना लोन मागिना ते तांकां यूज करूंक गावना. आनी ह्या सगळ्या कारणीभूत जे आहा हे रॉंग पॉलिसीज ऑफ दीस मॅनेजमेंट आसा. म्हाका दिसता गव्हर्मेंटान तांचो विचार करचो सगळ्यांचो बेगिनात जागे जावचे आनी एक्शन जी आसा आमी जी एक्शन जी मागता ती घेवची. आनी दुसरो एक गोश्ट आहा आतां जवळ जवळ ह्या 18 तारखेक ताची मुदत जी वाडलेली आहा ती मुदत सोंपता म्हणून फुडें आमकां डावट आहा हे खंय तरी षडयंत्र आहा. RBIनूय जागे जावचे ते डिपॉझिटर्स जशे मागतात ते जाणटे आहात सगळे आहात सगळ्यांचो विचार करचो. हांव गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन मागता प्रसार माध्यमांसून की हाजेर हे जे कोण डिफॉल्ट मॅनेजमेंट आहा तेजेर एक्शन घेवची आपलो मनीस बसोवचो व्हेरीफाय करचे आनी जाता तितके बेगीन हो प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करचो आनी तांकां पयशे गावचे इतकी इच्छा करता.
Yeah, my name is Joseph Canero. So we have made a group of the aggrieved deposit holders, okay, and all Goa, they are deposit holders, they number more than 3 lakhs. We have deposits worth about 340 crores in this bank, and they are held up. People have come having difficulties over here regarding they have the personal needs like kidney operations and heart bypass and all that kind of. After having money, we are unable to withdraw from there. Okay, and no explanation is given anything. We rarely see the 12 board of directors, and Khalap is one of them. And he has his wife, son, Bacho. He's a family bank. Yeah. This is Dr. Kunda. So it is like a private bank and we are kept out in the dirt, but they are utilizing our money and doing all these things, you know. We found out with the Reserve Bank and they say this embargo is put on the Mapsa Urban Bank due to bad loans. What are bad loans? They have given people, their cronies only, say 10 crore and taken only 20 lakhs collateral. So it is very convenient. I come after 6 months or whatever the duration of the thing, and I say I am unable to pay you 10 crore. So it's okay, you have forfeited your 10 lakhs. Very good. So whose money they have given the loan on? And they have got real estate. Now we demand that all these bad loan people should be investigated and their assets confiscated, just like the Punjab and in the Maharashtra, PMC Bank in Maharashtra. Okay, nothing is happening over here, you know. We have given letter right up to Prime Minister Modi, and he has allocated his one Sharma, Under Secretary, to look into this matter. Also to Sitaraman, Nirmala Sitaraman, and she has appointed one DK Das in Delhi. So we are pursuing the matter because we have no other choice. We have no other choice, you know. And these 12 gangs are not coming in the picture, not disclosing what is happening. And they have been bluffing the people that we are going into merger with this one, that one. Saraswat kicked them out in 5 minutes. They said we are going to merge with Saraswat. That's all. Nothing but lies. They don't even give the minutes of the meeting for which we were present. I went there twice to this Savaikar, Shalindra Sawant. Okay, and he says our lawyer has said not to disclose this. When the Supreme Court has given an order that all the names of the defaulters should be made public, minutes of the meeting is supposed to be a secret in this bank. We have not disclosed that. So how will we know? This bank is running with our funds, not anybody else.
Many of us are senior citizens, and at the time of retirement, we have invested full money in this bank. And now we are not getting any of our, we have lakhs each one in the bank. And we demand that all full board of director, CEO, everybody should be investigated, their assets should be investigated, and they should be confiscated, auctioned, and our money should be paid back. All directors, board directors, owner and CEO, their assets to be investigated.
And seized, and auctioned off and our money returned back.
Yes.
Then you do what you want. Yes.
Dr. Kunda Keni.
And so your name?
Joseph Carnero.
I am an athlete. I belong to a life member of Masters Athletic Federation of India. Wherever I participate at the nationals, I am selected either to World Championship or Asian Championship. But I have no money to spend
To go there.
to go there.